Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your e-commerce strategy with eBay easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your e-commerce strategy with eBay, start by researching your target market. Understand who your ideal customers are and what they are looking for. Use eBay's search function to identify popular products and trending categories. Analyze your competitors to see how they position their products and their pricing strategies. Create a professional eBay store that reflects your brand identity. Ensure your store is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Optimize your product listings with clear, high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Incorporate relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to enhance search visibility. Set competitive prices based on your market research and competitor analysis. Consider using eBay's auction feature for unique or rare items to create a sense of urgency. Leverage eBay's promotional tools, such as discounts and promotional listings, to attract buyers. Encourage customer interaction by responding to inquiries promptly and courteously. Gather customer feedback and reviews to build credibility and trust in your store. Regularly analyze your sales data to identify which products perform best. Adjust your inventory and marketing strategies based on these insights. Stay informed about e-commerce trends and eBay policy updates to remain competitive. Explore eBay advertising options to increase the visibility of your listings. Engage with your customers through eBay's messaging platform to foster relationships. Host your own sales events or promotions to encourage repeat purchases. Monitor your competitors frequently to adapt your strategy as necessary. Continuously refine your e-commerce strategy based on performance metrics and customer feedback. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your e-commerce strategy with eBay and drive more sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.